Your recipe is written in cups. The label has to be ordered by weight. That one mismatch is why so many home kitchen labels are quietly wrong, and it is the first thing this pack fixes. It is a 13-tab workbook in both Excel and Google Sheets, plus 4 PDF guides. An ingredient master, a weight engine, a label builder, an allergen matrix, the published label rules for every state, and 3 logs that make a recall answerable. Start with recipe lines. Enter each amount the way your recipe writes it, in cups, ounces, or grams. The workbook converts everything to grams and ranks the ingredients heaviest first, because that is the order a label has to be in. Where 2 land within 5% of each other, it tells you to weigh those 2, since at that margin, the order could genuinely go either way. The label builder then reassembles that ranking into the finished ingredient statement, sub-ingredients in parentheses and all. It is one cell you copy straight onto the package. Change a recipe amount and it rewrites itself, so the label and the recipe cannot quietly drift apart. Nothing on the allergen matrix is typed. Flag an allergen once on an ingredient and it appears on every product that uses it, and the contains line is written for you. 50 ingredients come already flagged, including the ones people get wrong. Most chocolate chips carry soy, sesame has been a major allergen since 2023, and coconut came off the FDA tree nut list in January 2025. Pick your state on the Setup tab, and the label elements that jurisdiction publishes appear on your worksheet, including the disclosure sentence most states require word for word. All 50 states and the District of Columbia, with each state's entry carrying the date it was reviewed and a link to the official source. Each product then rates its own label, ready to print, missing elements, or not started. 5 of the 7 core elements are computed from the rest of the workbook, 2 are things nobody else can see, and an 8th confirms you have worked through your own state's published list. So a label can't read ready without it. Then the half nobody thinks about until a supplier calls. Log your ingredient lots in your batches, and one supplier lot code traces forward to every batch, every unit, and everywhere those units went, with a straight answer on how many of those buyers you can reach. Or type a batch code off a package and get every lot inside it. The dashboard counts what is missing before it matters. Labels still unfinished, batches logged without their lots, ingredient lots sitting past their use-by date. It is a count of your own paperwork, which is the only question a spreadsheet can honestly answer. 4 PDF guides come with it, including a real specimen label pulled apart element by element, and a recall drill to run twice a year on a quiet afternoon rather than on the evening it happens. One thing this pack deliberately does not do is track your revenue against your state's cap or explain cottage food law. Both are already free, and links are in the download. What you are buying is the record keeping those guides tell you to do and do not give you. A file you keep, not a subscription you feed. Find it at Ardent Workshop.